After you have worked with key suppliers and vendors to improve your delivery transportation, now it's time to ask the question, what can we do to receive quicker? The first thing that you should begin to consider is where items will be received in at. Should a specific part of the organization receive parts, or would it be more appropriate to train teams so that they could receive items in their specific area? This is a crucial decision that you'll have to make. Keep in mind that this decision will help you improve the flow of both materials and information. With this in mind, you'll want to consider what is required when handling the materials, information, as well as where the point of use is. You'll want to make the process of receiving as simple as possible so that many people can cross-train to perform the process if necessary. Remember, while receiving may have elements of inspection as part of the process, this is not technically the purpose of receiving. With this in mind, you're going to want to receive items as close to the point of use as possible. Otherwise, your water spider may be making multiple trips before items can move. Let's look at 5 simple techniques that you can implement to increase efficiency of your receiving process. Those 5 techniques are: ensure areas are in 5S condition, use signboards, use visual management, color code, and organize areas with containers, have product-specific receiving where possible, and lastly, where you can't establish complete one-piece pull, establish first in, first out. These 5 techniques will help you transition. We'll see you in the next module.